So thank you so much, Good Good Piggy, the whole team for coming here. We did two wonderful activities. One was, you draw your own currency, and the other was that, if you have 1,000 rupees, what all can you buy? So it made the kids think that the about money, and think that in 1,000 rupees, that okay, I need to prioritize. Like a few children only do fruits and vegetables. That it was wonderful knowing that they think about this, that the first priority is buying food, not buying toys, or not buying fancy phones or iPads, etc. So starting early is very important. Kids need to learn about this. And also the whole concept that Good Good Piggy has about I would really recommend the parents to download the app and encourage their kids to understand that they need to work hard to achieve something, to get something, to buy stuff for themselves. So thank you so much.